Hello, my name's Jane and I'm a theatre maker and a Somatic Experiencing Practitioner. In November, the Wales Arts Health and Wellbeing Network are going to be running a series of creative, reflective practice sessions for Wales-based artists who work in mental health settings or work with groups of people who face mental health challenges. Our intentions are to create a safe, confidential space in which artists can reflect on the work that they do, alongside other creative and curious individuals who want to share and learn from each other. Creative reflective practice offers opportunities to shift away from feeling stuck, find more connectedness, more compassion, and more confidence. We'll also be exploring how we take care of ourselves, how we nurture ourselves within our work, and so we'll be doing a little psychoeducation on the brain and the nervous system. Previous participants have said that the creative reflective practice sessions have been permission giving, a place of acceptance, a safe place to share, and individuals have noticed a kind of softening in the body. If this is something you're interested in, then please get in touch.